This film supplements the instructions for use and serves to aid understanding. This film is not a substitute for reading and understanding the instructions for use. It is also not a replacement for mandatory instructions or training courses. This session will demonstrate how to use the Report Center and BA Logbook module. The Report Center provides you with a historical view of all recorded incidents where the FireGround system was actively utilized, facilitating further data analysis. Upon selecting Report Center from the main menu, an overview page displays all recorded incidents. At a glance, you'll find basic information such as the incident start date and time, participating hubs and apps, deployed BA wearers, and more. You can swiftly gain insights by filtering and sorting columns. The view is highly customizable. You can easily rearrange columns by drag and drop to suit your preferences. Furthermore, incidents with recorded important events, alarms, exposures, and documents are highlighted in the Noteworthy Events column as a call to action. Each recorded incident is individually catalogued in the Report Center. Access it either by double-clicking on the entry in the table or by selecting an entry and clicking on the pen icon in the blue bar. Once you've accessed an incident, its summary page displays details of the deployment like start and end times of entry control measures, incident type and any specific exposure, and a summary of the incident. All FireGround app data is uploaded and can be expanded as needed. To edit information, click a field, make changes, and then press Save. To view the incident timelines, go to the Analysis tab. There are 3 levels of viewing each incident: Incident Overview, Detailed Entry Control Area Breakdown, and Individual BA Wearer Specifics. Any alarms are visually flagged with colored duration bars for quick identification. Distress signals or evacuation alerts are prominently displayed for immediate notice. Hovering over duration bars reveals relevant details: alarm type, duration, and which SCBA wearer and BA set recorded the alarm. The timeline also tracks changes in deployed team status and the deployment of repeaters, and indicates uploaded media files throughout the incident. This timeline details the exact pressure development and alarm history for each BA wearer. Individual sections display the activated SCBA duration, serial numbers, BA type, and firefighters' team allocation. In case a hazmat exposure was recorded, this is documented too for every firefighter. Media attachments and notes from the app and remote monitoring users are available in the Incident Reports, Media and Notes tab. This gives you a comprehensive overview to review the incident's progression in detail. All media files, voice and freehand notes, and additional information are timestamped and synchronized. Each note is marked with its associated ECP, beneficial for multi-ECP incidents. FireGround Web users can upload additional media files, linking them to ECP and timestamping for added insights. To do so, click the plus icon in the blue bar, assign notes to an ECP, select Files to upload, and after confirmation, save the uploaded files. You can export either the complete overview or single reports as an Excel file. Simply select the respective download buttons in the blue bar. A single incident's dataset includes comprehensive exports of all data points in multiple sheets. One for the main incident data, one for each entry control point, and one for every device involved in the incident. You can download this data in Excel format for local processing. The BA Logbook offers a complete usage history for each SCBA, providing a clear overview of its usage. Accessible from the main menu, you can input a specific SCBA serial number or click Proceed to view all entries for your fire service. The overview table that subsequently appears lists the date and time of wear, incident number, the BA wearer who used the SCBA during the incident, actual duration of usage, as well as the starting and ending pressure for each usage. This function helps you to track BA wearers' activities and their participation in specific incidents within a given time frame. The BA Logbook automatically flags incident entries with low starting pressure or special exposures in the status column. You can sort, filter, and rearrange the table columns as needed. For more incident details, double-click or select any entry from the table. Then tap the Report Center icon in the blue bar to navigate to the corresponding Report Center entry. Finally, you can export the entire overview to Excel by clicking the Download button. Not all products, features, or services mentioned in this video are for sale in all countries. Contact your local Dräger representative for more information. Mentioned trademarks are only registered in certain countries and not necessarily in the country in which this material is released. Go to www.dräger.com/trademarks to find the current status.